time for our phonics poem of the week. Today's poem is all about E. And the title of the poem is The Sleepy Seal. A sleepy seal lay on the beach, with sandy flippers just out of reach. He loved to dream in the warm sea breeze, while waves rolled in with gentle ease. A bright red beach ball bounced by his nose, then plopped in the sea and away it rose. He leapt to his feet with a happy squeal. "I must rescue that," said the brave little seal. He swam through the sea so deep and blue, past silverfish and seaweed too. He reached the ball with a cheerful cheer and balanced it proudly from ear to ear. Back on the beach he had a treat, a peach and cream that tasted sweet. Then he lay back down in the golden heat, feeling peaceful, calm and complete. How many times can you find E in today's poem? You can pause the video now to see how many you can find. I found 19 E in this poem. Did you find them all? If you liked this poem, remember to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Take care. Bye for now.